Welcome, guys. Welcome. And my name is Dennis. My name is Dennis. My name is Dennis, and I am a trader. This is actually the first time I'm actually going live. Like first time ever. I'm actually going live. First time I'm actually going live, and I might change the whole settings and everything because I'm going to be putting it 3 o'clock, and seems like 3 o'clock does not sound or does not fit right for Sunday. So um yeah. So this is for sorry, I think the network is having issues. Okay, can you guys hear me now? Yep. So this is a live analysis for next week, and in the next moment now I'm going to be sharing my screen to pull out everything. And mind you, trading is it's not a get rich scheme. Like it takes time. It takes effort, it takes time, and it takes a lot of consistency to feel me. So yeah, let me share my screen for you guys and let's begin. Let's begin. So this period now I'm going to back to back consistency because right now I'm done with school, but I'm still in school currently. So I'm wrapping up all my projects and events and all of that. I'm going to like back to back consistency. So yeah, let me share my screen for you guys. Okay. So before we do all of that, I think I have some trades that that will soon play out. This one is almost at my entry level. Yeah. Yeah, this one is almost at my entry level. Once it's I've analyzed this trade for about I think a week or so now. I think a week or so. And the main thing I saw, first of all, you just have to go to the check the higher time frame and know the direction of the market. And let me show you guys. So on the weekly time frame, if you notice that price is breaking, has been breaking the highs. Sorry, let me use the line chart to demonstrate this better. So if you notice, price has been breaking high, it has been making higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, lower highs, higher highs on the weekly time frame. So if we head down to the daily time frame, you see that price broke the structure, created the higher high, broke the structure, created the higher high, and now created the lower low and is breaking this previous low here. You notice this is the previous low we created and it has been broken here and here. It's been broken. And my strategy that I trade, obviously, you guys know I trade DAX strategy. I'm not I trade only DAX and take it back. So first of all, the first thing we have to see is to know the overall direction of the market, whether it's bullish or it is bearish. So once we've known the direction of the markets, then we'll look for a liquidity sweep. So this is a liquidity sweep. Let me show you. Let me just draw the pattern of what I trade. So this is let me use. So this is what I trade. Now let me demonstrate for you. This should first of all see a liquidity sweep. When you see a liquidity sweep, then you wait for a break of structure. Then when you wait for a break of structure, this can okay, so because this can occur in two ways. Let's try and see how I can be able to flip this the other side. I don't think so. First of all, you just have to wait for a liquidity sweep. When you see liquidity sweep, you wait for a break of structure. Then sometimes you might see a an inducement structure. Yeah, structural inducement. Abi, is that a structural? You shall see an inducement. Then, but that's not actually it does not occur every time. So let me use this one as an example. Okay, see it here. So, so this is it here. So in some scenarios it does not play out. Some scenarios it does not play out. So once you've seen this, you know that your setup is valid. It makes for price to reverse to your entry. That's your demand zone. That's what is here. You wait for the demand zone. That's your POI. You wait for it, and then price taps in. You enter weeks properly. Always, always weeks well. Don't risk what you cannot afford to lose on your account. Yeah. Although I have been there, I have risked some amount of money that I couldn't afford to get back most of the time, like most of the time. So I'm not saying that I'm perfect. So and this is actually the first time I'm going live on YouTube doing a live analysis. So most of all these trades, as you can see, most of the ones that I have marked or I have flagged are the ones that I'm expecting for something to occur this week or next week. If you get me. So this one played out. As you can see, price came here. So I don't know if price is still going to come back. If you feel me. So we have AED been holding the street for quite a while now. Since I think that's since Wednesday. No, actually since Wednesday. And this is where I wanted to target here. GBP AED. Okay. This is still playing out. Still playing out. We still have to hold and continue holding. Okay, yeah, back to this GBP JPY. I actually missed this trade, as you can see. I don't know whether price is still going to come back down. I don't know, but we missed it. Not up on our entry. So I'm going to unflag this and bring it back down. because that's not the trade. That's not one of the trade I'm going to be looking out for. So the next one is USD CHF. Okay, this is still about to play out. So just have to still wait for price to test back to our entry. Now for gold, I don't think I have any analysis on gold. No, there's no any analysis on gold. CHF JPY. Let's remove that gold so we don't get confusion. CHF JPY. You know, its price broke the previous low. So, and we have everything that we're looking for: the liquidity, break of structure, the inducements. So we just have to wait for price to retest. One thing you have to understand is, don't rush the market. Like, don't rush to enter the market, or don't rush to, you have to wait for price to come to your POI or your trap, or anything or anywhere that you set price to come to. So just have to wait for price to retest them. So these are just the trades that I'm looking out for this week. Some of them they have played out already, some of them they haven't. And so, first of all, this is the first time I'm actually doing this live thing. So I might not get it right. So I'm still, adjusting to everything, and so yeah, these are my pairs I'm going to be looking out for. And currently now I have no account I'm trading right now. I'm currently trading on demo because I lost all my accounts. So you are seeing an FVG in there though. I think might be test. Which of the pair? Which of the pair? Okay, Sam. Which of the pair, please? Let me know which of the pair. Ike Sam, which of the pair? XAU. Let me go back to it. Where is it? That's here. On what time frame? Because I don't trade fair value gaps. You feel me? Is this the fair value gap you're talking about? Is this the fair value gap you're talking about? EK. Because I don't trade fair value gaps. So I only trade that's this structure that I showed you guys here. Let me show it to you again. This structure, this is what I trade. I don't trade any other thing apart from that. I must wait to see a structure like liquidity, then break of structure, then Okay, I think the network is back now. Because I don't know if you get yes, you can on the chat. This life thing is not easy because, bro, please, if you guys can hear me, please write yes, you can on the comment section, please. Let me know you guys. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Partly. Okay. 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 So, as I was saying, this is this is why I trade. I don't trade any other patterns. I must wait to see my liquidity here, my breakup structure here, and most importantly, you must see all these things on the higher time frame before you can able to go down to see all these things on the higher time frame because yeah, market respects the higher time frame more than lower time frame to get. So I don't trade fair value gaps. To get me. So the only thing that I can be able to say I trade is maybe I see something like this. Let me go to digital. Let me show you one of the pairs I did that. Something like this now. This trade that I took here. I did not check for any of those my structure, my liquidity, my breakup structure, my inducement and all. I did not do that. The only thing I did was I went to the higher time frame and I noticed that price this was a zone. If you notice, price tapped here, tapped here, tapped here. And I know that okay, yeah, that's a zone that price is respecting. Then I went down to the lower time frame. I don't know if you get me. If you go to the higher time frame, you notice that this level is being respected by the market. So I went down to the lower time frame to enter. And if you notice price did respect the whole move and everything. So this is the only gaps. Although I was before. Oh, sorry. I've not been sharing my screen to you guys. What the hell? Sorry, I've not been sharing my screen to you guys. Sorry. I was saying that I don't trade fair value gaps. I don't trade fair value gaps. So this is what I was saying. On the higher time frame, price respected that zone.